Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker, where we share amazing iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts to your iPhone's home screen. Whether you want to quickly open an app, send a message, or automate tasks, shortcuts can make your life a lot easier. So let's dive in. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get updates on our future tutorials and help us reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers. On the home screen, long press anywhere to enter the wiggle mode. Then tap on the edit button from the top left corner. From the pop-up, tap on the add widget option. Here, search for shortcuts and add the first shortcut to the home screen by tapping on it. After the shortcut has been added to the home screen and your device is still in wiggle mode, tap on the widget to access its settings. Now tap next to where it says shortcut and select the shortcut that you want to trigger with this widget. Once the shortcut's name shows on the widget, tap anywhere to dismiss it. Exit the wiggle mode by tapping on the done button from the top. That's it. Now you can easily trigger this shortcut by tapping on this widget. You can place this widget anywhere you like on the home screen by simply dragging it around. Shortcuts are a great way to personalize your iPhone and save time. Whether it's quick access to an app or automating daily tasks, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.